Hello, you want to see how I achieve this soup with 5 different vegetables? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Super tasty, super yummy, and super delicious. Here are my meat, good meat, abordi, sharki, added salt, to seasoning, nutmeg, onion, crayfish. I'll give it a good mix. And I'll cover and simmer it for 10 minutes. Here I'll be adding hot water from the kettle and I'll cover and cook for another 30 minutes. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. So here I'll be adding my palmnut cream that I put in a pot and I simmer it for 10 minutes. That's so I can get rid of the sand. Here I'll be adding my blended bitterleaf and my pumpkin leaf blended together, soaked with hot water. And I'll be adding my parsley, basil, spinach blended together. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So here I added crayfish, pepper, salt, and this is it. It's ready. After some time I'll be extracting the oil. See you in my next video. Bye.